Welcome to Dan the Cleaning Man channel. Moving out can be a stressful process, but there's one thing that can make it even more overwhelming. Cleaning. Whether you're trying to get that security deposit back or just leave a good impression for the next occupant, the move out clean is essential. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we're diving into the ultimate move out cleaning checklist, full of must-have tips to make sure you leave your place spotless. First up, let's start with the kitchen. This area is notorious for grime buildup, so it's essential to give it some extra attention. Begin by cleaning out the fridge and freezer. Don't just toss out the food. Wipe down all the shelves and drawers. A mixture of baking soda and water works wonders to get rid of any funky smells. Next, tackle the oven. If you've been avoiding this one, now's the time to face it. If your oven has a self-cleaning feature, run that. But if not, a good old scrubbing with oven cleaner will do the trick. Wipe down the stovetop, making sure to get into those crevices where grease tends to hide. And don't forget the microwave. It's easy to miss. A quick tip: heat up a bowl of water with lemon slices inside. The steam will loosen any grime, making it a breeze to wipe down. Once the appliances are done, move on to the countertops, cabinets, and drawers. Empty each cabinet, wipe down the inside, and check for any stray crumbs or spills. For the countertops, a good all-purpose cleaner should do the job, but make sure you pay attention to any stains or discoloration. Now that the kitchen's sparkling, let's move on to the bathroom. Arguably, one of the most important places to clean when moving out. Start with the shower or bathtub. If you've got any stubborn soap scum or hard water stains, a mixture of vinegar and baking soda can cut through it. Scrub the tiles and grout, paying attention to any mold or mildew spots. Once that's done, rinse everything thoroughly. Next up, the toilet. It's not the most glamorous task, but it's gotta be done. Give the bowl a deep clean with toilet cleaner, but don't forget the outside. Make sure the tank, seat, and surrounding area are spotless. The sink and countertop come next. Scrub out the sink basin, and don't forget to clean the faucet handles. They can collect grime too. Wipe down the mirrors and shine up those fixtures. Finally, check for any stray hair or dust around the bathroom floor. With the kitchen and bathroom out of the way, let's hit the living spaces. If you've got carpets, now's the time to deep clean them. You can either rent a carpet cleaner or hire a professional, depending on your time and budget. A deep clean will lift any dirt, stains, or lingering smells that could cost you that deposit. For hardwood or tile floors, a good sweep and mop will do the trick. Be sure to get into the corners where dust and dirt like to hide. Don't overlook the baseboards either. A quick wipe can make all the difference in making the room feel fresh. While you're in the living areas, make sure to wipe down any light switches, door handles, and vents. These small spots often get overlooked, but they can get pretty grimy over time. Dust off any ceiling fans, as they tend to collect dust that can fall once you've left. Next, let's take a look at the windows. Clean windows can make a huge difference, and it's easy to forget them. Use a streak-free window cleaner to get them sparkling. And don't forget the windowsills. Dust and dirt love to accumulate there. If you have blinds, a quick dusting or wipe down with a damp cloth can help freshen up the look of the room. Now let's not forget about the walls. Check for any scuff marks, especially near doorways and high-traffic areas. A magic eraser works great for this. If there are any nails or screws left in the wall, make sure to remove them and fill the holes with putty. Finally, the last thing to do is the final walkthrough. Once you've finished cleaning everything, do a thorough walkthrough of the entire space. Make sure there aren't any areas you've missed, and double-check the closets, cabinets, and any storage spaces. Take a look from the perspective of the landlord or the next tenant. They'll notice any spots you may have overlooked. One last tip: leave the place smelling fresh. A quick spray of air freshener or leaving out a few scented candles, just remember to take them when you go, can help make the space feel more inviting and clean. So there you have it, our ultimate move-out cleaning checklist. We've covered everything from scrubbing the bathroom to getting those stubborn stains out of the carpet. Not only will these tips help you leave your place spotless, but they'll also help make sure you get your security deposit back. Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We've got tons of helpful cleaning tips and moving hacks coming your way. Thanks for watching Dan the Cleaning Man channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Happy moving!